In 2020, a truck company was worth $9 billion. There was just one problem: their truck couldn't actually drive. This is the story of Nikola, the electric vehicle startup built on an ocean of lies. 2016, Trevor Milton had a dream: build the Tesla of trucks. Clean energy. Zero emissions. Revolutionary technology. He called it Nikola, named after Nikola Tesla, naturally, and promised to change trucking forever with hydrogen-powered semi-trucks. The pitch was perfect. Hydrogen fuel cells. 800 horsepower. 1,000-mile range. And investors ate it up. By 2020, Nikola went public through a SPAC deal. On day one, the stock soared. The company hit a $29 billion valuation, bigger than Ford. Trevor Milton became a billionaire overnight. He bought ranches. He flew private. He posted photos with his trucks, calling himself the next Elon Musk. There was just one tiny detail he forgot to mention: nothing worked. December 2016. Nikola released a promotional video. Nikola 1 in motion, they called it. The truck cruised down a highway. Smooth. Silent. Revolutionary. Except it wasn't moving under its own power. They had towed the truck to the top of a hill and let it roll down. That's it. Gravity did the work. But Trevor told investors the truck was fully functional. He claimed they built it from the ground up. He said they had billions in pre-orders. He showed off prototypes and talked about manufacturing plants. All of it? Lies. The battery technology didn't exist. The hydrogen fuel cells were nowhere near production. The pre-orders were non-binding letters of interest. Even the dashboard in their promotional photos was photoshopped from a Ford F-150. For 4 years, Trevor Milton kept the con going. Press releases. Interviews. Social media posts. Each one building on the last lie. Then, in September 2020, everything unraveled. September 2020. Short-selling firm Hindenburg Research dropped a bombshell report: Nikola, how to parley an ocean of lies into a partnership with the largest auto OEM in America. They exposed everything. The fake truck demo. The lies about technology. The inflated pre-orders. The photoshopped components. The stock crashed 50% in 2 days. Trevor Milton resigned. The SEC launched an investigation. General Motors, who'd just partnered with Nikola, slashed their deal from $2 billion to $0. July 2021, Trevor Milton was indicted on 3 counts of fraud. October 2022, a jury found him guilty. December 2023, he was sentenced to 4 years in prison and fined $1 million. September 2024, a judge ordered him to pay Nikola $168 million for the damage he caused. The company that was once worth $9 billion? Today it's worth less than $70 million and still hasn't delivered a single profitable hydrogen truck. Trevor Milton had convinced the world he'd built the future of trucking. In reality, he'd built the future of nothing. Investors lost $660 million. Employees lost their jobs. And an entire industry learned a brutal lesson: in the age of SPACs and hype cycles, seeing isn't always believing. Sometimes, it's just a truck rolling downhill.